Alright, so let's dive right into it. So this is my natural eye colour, dark brown, warm toned. Now we're going to pop on the lenses. Alright, so I'm going to be popping on the Quartzo lens on this eye. And on this eye, I'm going to be popping on Ipanema. Okay, so here is a side-by-side comparison. In person, they look very, very similar. It's really hard to tell, but I have to say Quartzo has more of this like minty green look, whereas Ipanema has a little bit of a bluer shift to it. I think it's just because of that blue on the outer ring. It looks more defined, making the eyes look more defined, essentially. So I think it's just going to come down to personal preference, and if you ask me, your natural features. If you have very dark natural features, Quartzo might be a little bit too much if you're not wearing makeup. This is just me personally speaking. I feel like with the Hidrocor Quartzo, I feel like I need to wear quite intense makeup, or at the very least eyeliner, like a strong eyeliner to make it look okay. Whereas with Ipanema, even with just like some light makeup, it looks fine. And dare I say, just a little bit of mascara and it looks okay. It's not too out there. But honestly, looking afar, they are quite similar. I would have to say Quartzo is maybe 2 shades lighter than Ipanema. Which one do I prefer? I actually prefer Ipanema. I feel like it just looks more defined on my eyes, and I don't look as washed out that's without makeup. So that's just my personal opinion. If you guys have both shades, let me know down in the comment box down below which you guys prefer. But yeah, this is more aimed at people that I suppose are looking at what the differences are, because some people say they are pretty much the same, and honestly they are pretty much the same. It's just 1 or 2 shades difference. So yeah, I think it's just really up to you and your personal preference and your features whether or not Quartzo or Ipanema is for you. If you know, why not buy both? Yeah, but anyway, that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys would like to see a product review on the Quartzo lens, I'll have it linked on the screen. If you guys would like to see a full-on try-on, I'll have another video for Ipanema. I haven't done the review just yet. I think that should be the next video. But wait for it. Make sure you click subscribe so you guys know when that video comes out. But yeah, I thought I would do a comparison between these two because they seem to be quite similar based on photos, and it's just very interesting to see them side by side now on myself, and hopefully this helps you guys out decide which one is best for you. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys would like a discount code, I have one for Lens.me and I also have one for Vision Marketplace. So yeah, if you guys would like to purchase from either one of them, both of them will give you a discount. Oh, and by the way guys, if you guys would like to see how these contact lenses perform with different types of makeup looks, I'll have links down to my Instagram with specific looks where I actually wore these contacts, like individual ones where I wore Ipanema and I also wore Quartzo. That way you guys have a general idea what they'll look like. Some of them are obviously face tuned, yes I know, but at least you guys have an idea of what they might look like on you. Anyway, that's it from me guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.